what is dictionary here? How do you create a dictionary? How do you store data into the dictionary? So let us see with an example. Let me write the definition here. Dictionary is unordered collections with unique, immutable keys and values. Okay, now here let me do about the values could be of mutable. So that's why I'm saying mutable or immutable values pair. So what I'm trying to say, dictionary is not a sequence. It is an unordered collections with a unique immutable keys. So keys are unique in this case and they are immutable types. Immutable means you cannot modify. And the mutable, so it's like a value pair, so where you may have the values could be of mutable or immutable type here. So let me show you the example here. What is dictionary? How to create a dictionary? DICT1 is equal to flower bracket. Now ask the interpreter what this flower bracket is and see what happened. Type of DICT1 and interpreter say it is of the type dictionary now. So whenever you are giving flower bracket, whenever you see it in the case of Python, so it says by default dictionary here. Now let us add the keys value pair here now. So DICT1 having let's say key as a number, let's say name, and values, let's say Surendra. Now DICT1 of something like age, say number. DICT1, you can add the mobile and you can say number again. Then you can say DICT1 of email. So what is happening now here? I am able to store my data in a step-by-step manner and see how does it work now. Based on the types, I'm using the single quote, or if there's a number, I'm not using any quote here. And now look at the dictionary. So you got the dictionary with a key and value pair, right? So dictionary is having, which are the keys now? Let us ask the question. DICT1 dot keys. They are the keys now. Which are the values? Just ask DICT1 dot values. I can see some question here. Okay, so now let me tell you guys, like as I say, this particular workshop I have planned with giving the more hands-on session to cover most of the topics of the Python. So here I'm not covering much theory. So my request to all of you guys to visit my previous YouTube channels where I have already covered the theory part. So those guys who like to know the detailed theory about Python, why Python, what is Python, applications of the Python, all these things is already covered in my previous workshop. So I will request you to go to those theory part, and also there are several books also available for theory. But here I would like to cover more hands-on so that you can work on the Python. Let me know if you practice the Python on Anaconda, you'll be very much comfortable. Okay. So here I have covered the dictionary, some basic thing. Let me again show you like how we can have some other method like in the dictionary, like dictionary.item. What you see here, it has converted the dictionary into list of tuple. So what else are the methods are there? You can just see the DICT1, the other methods. Very important data structure. Let me do some other language. Dictionary is like a hash. Some language it is a associative array. Here it is a key and value pair. Right. So now, can I remove the data from the dictionary? Answer is yes. So how you can remove it? By two methods. One is by pop. So let's say I don't know about like how does the pop method works. What should be the index of it? I can just write a help for that. Just see the help here. Write a help function and see the syntax of the pop. And what is syntax say? Pop method is something to remove, like we saw in the case of list also. It is to remove some data. But how to remove? By specifying the key here. So if you want to remove some data, in the pop case, here you have to provide the keys also. Any one key you can take it. We already defined the keys here. In this case, it will be a name, it could be age. Let me remove the age factor now. So here I'll just say age, which is a key. See now, so whenever you try to remove some data, you can remove it by some key now, right? So this is the way you can remove the data.